Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching us how to make the mushroom rose that is on my turban cap. Material needed are our fabric, the glue gun, a glue, a pen, a round object that we'll be using to trace the circle, and a zigzag scissors. So what you'll be doing is you place your round object on your fabric like this, and you make a circle. You trace out the circle, trace it round, trace out the circle round like this, trace out the circle like this, then you cut it with your zigzag scissors. So I finish cutting my circles. You can make as many circles as you want. I think I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I have about 13 circles here. You cut a small piece of fabric like this. You can make it in a square shape, or you also make it in a circular shape like this. So I'll be making my rose on either this or on the circular shape, depending on the shape you want. The beauty of this mushroom rose is that you can use it as your hair clip. You can use it as a brooch to design anything. You can use it to design your cap. You can use it to design your scarf. You can even use an elastic rubber. You can attach it to it, then you use it as your hair bow. You can also use it to make a hair bow. You can attach it to your hair bands. It's look beautiful that way. You pick your circle, fold it into two like this, fold it into two like this, and you fold it again. That means you are folding it twice. Then you place a little glue in the middle like this. Then you hold it for a few seconds. After that, you also place a glue here. Just watch me. Be careful so that you won't hurt your. Yeah. You place, after holding the middle for a few seconds, you place a gum. Put your gum here. Then you place it on the piece of fabric you cut the other time. Place it here like this, and you hold it for a few seconds. What I'll be doing is I'll be putting the circle like this round first before the middle part. So just watch me, watch. Get it, circle one, fold it into two, apply your gum in the middle, fold again, apply your gum out like this, and you place it on your fabric like this. If you don't have a glue gun, you can also use your B600 or your Uyu gum to make this. Hold it for a few seconds. Touch your gum to it like this. And you determine anywhere you want to place it. You can place it here. You hold it. That is how you continue doing it till you feel the outer part. You make it round, do it round. You hold it down like this because the gum is. Be careful with your gum so it won't stain your rose. So after getting gum in the middle, you place it at the back like this. What I did is I gummed the middle of the circle down and put it aside so that it will get cold a little. So start placing it. Place it round the fabric. Place it round the fabric. Anyway you want it to look like. Place it and make sure you hold it down for a few minutes or few seconds before removing your hand, so you'll be sure it's properly gummed. So I finish doing it round like this. So now go to the middle part. So place it like this. Design it the way you want like this. See, it's so simple and lovely. It's nothing too serious. Just getting your circle, then you get a gum, you get a piece of fabric, then you place your circle on the piece of fabric. You can use 2 colors of fabric. So is it? Yeah, I think I'm done. Yes, this is it. You can, for you to close this, you can put a little glue here. Close the upper part like this. Yes, it's beautifying. Now our mushroom rose is ready. So it's just for you to attach it to your turban cap. You can tack it to your turban cap with your needle and thread, or you place your gum on it like this. To use my mushroom as a hair bow, so what I'll be doing is I cut my elastic band and I put gum at the center like this to close it together. Is I will put a little glue here. It depends on the side you want it. I'll put a glue here like this. Then I will add my band, my elastic like this. So I've had my elastic. I also cut a small piece of fabric like this so that I'll use to cover my band. So after placing your elastic on it, you also add your gum. You also add your gum to it like this. Also add your gum, then you place your fabric on it this way, and you hold it tight. You hold it very, very tight. You hold it tight like this. You can cut out the excess fabric. Cut out your excess fabric. You can also tack it with your needle and thread so that you will secure it. You tack it while your gum is still very hot, so that your needle can go through it. Place enough glue on it like this. Put enough glue on it. Then you hold it down properly. You hold it down. Now your hair bow is ready. Isn't this beautiful? So apart from attaching it to your scarf, to your turban cap like this, apart from attaching it, you can also use it as your hair bow or your fascinator. You can also use it as a brooch. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. God bless you all. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. Like, comment and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram at Zigzag and Crafts.